Which of the following is divisible by 6? So ano ba yung rule natin? Divisibility rule ng 6. Kapag divisible by 6, dapat divisible siya by 2 and then divisible by 3. So by elimination ng choices, tanggalin na agad natin si letter A tsaka si letter D kasi yan ay hindi divisible by 2 kasi odd number. Okay, so i-try natin ngayon. Okay, divisible by 2 si letter B, C at E. So kailangan i-check natin alin dyan ang divisible by 3. So ang divisible by 3 natin, kailangan ang sum ng digits ay divisible by 3. So i-try natin si letter B. So para madali, i-cancel ko na agad si 6. Divisible by 3 na kasi ito. And then, ano yung pwede pa i-cancel? 5 and 4. Pwedeng i-cancel kasi 5 plus 4, that is 9. So 9 is divisible by 3. And then we have 8 plus 7, this is 15. 15 is divisible by 3. So cancel na ito. Ang natira na lang 2. So yung 2 hindi siya divisible by 3. So therefore mali ito. So next kay letter C tayo. So by eliminate, pag partner-partnerin natin, itong 4, 1 at 4, that is 9. So divisible by 3 yon. So ang natira 7 plus 4 is 11 plus 1. So we have 12. 12 is divisible by 3. So therefore, letter C ang tamang sagot dito. So check na lang natin ito. So yung 6 cancel out. 5 and 4, that is 9. So tanggalin na natin. 4 and 2, that this is 6. So hindi ito divisible by 3 kasi ang natira ay 1. May natirang 1, hindi divisible by 3. So the correct answer is letter C. Follow for more.